Hey beautiful people. So today's video is going to be showing you how to connect your JBL Go 3 with your iPhone. And before we get started, I just want to say if this helps out in any kind of way, please feel free to like or subscribe. It really helps me out trying to get closer to that 1,000. All right, let's go ahead and make this short and sweet. So we're going to go with let's do it like this. First, we're going to turn on the Go 3. Now we're going to immediately push the Bluetooth. Okay, so now this is allowing for it to pair. Now you want to go at the top corner of your iPhone, swipe it down. You'll see the Bluetooth symbol. Push that down. Go ahead and push the Bluetooth again. Now you want to go to Bluetooth settings. Okay, so now we're in the Bluetooth settings, and you're going to see other devices is going to pop up as soon as you push the Bluetooth on the Go 3. And once that happens, go ahead, push that. Might take a little bit of time. Okay, so once you hear that little jingle on the Go 3, you know that you have officially connected or paired your iPhone with your JBL Go 3. And to disconnect, it's quite simple. You just want to go open up that Bluetooth in the same fashion I showed earlier. Go to JBL Go 3, press the I icon, and then there's a disconnect and there's a forget this device. So if you want to keep the device, next time you turn on the JBL, it'll automatically connect with your iPhone. Other than that, if you completely want to take the JBL off, sometimes it gets in the way if you're using your AirPod or something like that. So it's better to just forget the device. Oops, I disconnected it. Yep. Okay, so let's forget the device. And then on the bottom says forget device, confirm. Now it's no longer there. All right, guys, so I hope this really helped out. And this is for the JBL Go 3 and how to connect to your iPhone.